Ready to turbocharge your project management with Jira? Let's dive right into assigning those tasks and generating powerful reports. All within Jira. We'll start with assignment first, navigate to your project and open the relevant board view. Locate the task you want to assign. This could be a story, a bug, or any type of Jira issue. Click on the task card to open it. Inside the card, you'll see fields to edit. Find the assignee field. Click within the assignee field. A drop-down list appears, populated with the names of your team members. Select the individual you want to assign the task to. You can also search for a specific user if your team is large. Once selected, that person's name and profile picture will appear in the assignee field, confirming the assignment. Now the task is theirs. Next, let's get to reports. How awesome to see the assignment information from your project view. Navigate to reports. Found usually down the left side. Jira offers a variety of built-in reports. Choose a report relevant to your needs. Popular options include assignee report, which shows tasks broken down by individual user, or a created versus resolved issues report to measure completion, and a time tracking report showing the time spent on different tasks. After selecting a report, customize it using the available filters and settings. You can typically filter by project, date range, assignee, or issue type. This allows you to get an exact view of your project tasks and their assignment status. Your report is now available. By following these assignment and reporting steps, you can take control of your project.